In today's video, me and Mama are doing a what fits in our bag. So this is Mama's raindrop in foxglove, and she wants to put her things from her Coach bag into that. So she wanted to share with you how she was gonna, or what she would be able to fit into her raindrop.
Okay, so here's my makeup.
What's inside your makeup bag?
I have quite a few pieces of I have my lipstick. I have things for if this is the in case my fingers get yucky, then I can put this on them and wipe them down.
Your hand sanitizer?
Yes. Got a couple of those in here. And then I got this type of makeup that I can put on.
Your powder?
Yep. I got the powder thing that I can use and put on.
Yeah.
Here, which is nice. And then I've got a comb, so I can
Your comb
my hair.
Yeah.
And that fits in here, which is nice.
And everything fits into your raindrop?
Yes. So I will close this up and I will put it in my new purse.
Yeah, that fits nicely.
And then there's one more item that fits in here. And that is my Coach I'm sorry, ladies, but once in a while it's a
Wallet. Yes.
And that should fit in here too.
So you were just saying that we need to find you a smaller wallet for your raindrop.
I need a smaller one.
That we need to find like some different colors maybe from Portland leather.
Yeah.
So that it'll fit a little bit better. Can you show them inside your bag?
Yep.
Yeah, and everything fits in really nicely.
Mm-hmm.
And then you can still zip it. Yeah, that's a really nice zipper. That's so pretty. It's beautiful.
And we've got the one that we can...
The crossbody strap.
Crossbody strap. Which I haven't used before, and I'm really interested.
You've never had a crossbody before.
I've had them, but I've never used them in place. And now I'm getting where I really like the idea. It'll make it easier, especially if we're shopping.
Yes.
In malls and stuff. So it'll make it be very nice.
That's beautiful.
It's a beautiful color.
It's really pretty. It's between like a pink and a mauve.
Yeah.
And it's super pretty.
It's not a brown.
It's not brown. That's true. It is not brown. So this is the tote that I currently use. It is just a big, huge, oversized Coach tote and my pocket back. And I'm gonna see how much we can fit into my rainstorm. So it is a mess, guys. There's medications, there's my mom's medications, there's all kinds of things. I do have an insert that I keep in like my totes, but let's kind of go through it and see what can fit or what I was able to make fit real quick. So I'm really surprised. Everything that I had in the insert for my Coach tote fit into my rainstorm. And I mean, I haven't cleaned it out or anything like that. So my insert had a whole bunch of receipts, things like that. I just set those on our other sofa, but everything was in there. I have like, you know, my medications, my mom's medications. I have this really small Dooney and Burke wallet, my fidget toy because anxiety is real, guys, my coin purse with all of our coins. I have a pin. I need to find like a little bag or something to put that in because I don't want to keep that just out in the open like that. I have a Band-Aid, my, you know, Clinique Black Honey lip balm, my face powder, my pouch for my keys. That all just kind of fit in that pocket right there. I have like an empty eyeglass case and some coupons back here. And then this is actually just my good luck rock. But anyway, guys, I'm so surprised that everything pretty much from my tote fit into my rainstorm. That is incredible. It's not too heavy. It fits really, really nicely. I think it is absolutely beautiful. The color is stunning. Really, really pretty. Overall, guys, I am super, super impressed. Thanks for watching, and leave us a comment below if you'd like to see our bag collection. Bye, guys.
They move too fast, honey. For pictures. Not me again.